turnout was for Bangladesh and not India. The USAID grant to India, which has been cancelled by the new US administration, has rocked the political corridor since Donald Trump hinted that funds might have been used to interfere in the 2024 Lok Sabha polls. The BJP, which has been on the warpath against the Congress since Trump's assertion, called the report fake. Congress latched on to the report to accuse the BJP of jumping the gun in accusing the opposition party of using alleged external influence in the poll process.
2012 में कहते हैं कि ये कोई करारनामा हुआ था। कुरैशी साहब जब मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त थे तो 2014 तो हम हार गए ना। तो कौन किसको अस्थिर कर रहा था? क्या मोदी जी अमेरिका के पैसे से जीते थे 2014 में? हम भी पूछते हैं। अब कल ट्रंप जी ने नई एक बात कि ये 21 मिलियन भारत में गया, तो हमने आज आपको दिखाया, ये अखबार ने एक खोजी पत्रकारों ने ये निकाला है कि ये भारत को नहीं गया, ये बांग्लादेश को गया। अब हम पूछ रहे हैं मोदी जी से कि अपने पड़ोस में लोकतंत्र को अस्थिर करने के लिए 21 मिलियन अमेरिका ने भेजा और आपको पता ही नहीं चला। या तो आपको पता नहीं चला तो आपका ये विफलता है, और पता चला तो भी आंख मूंद ली। तो ऐसा क्या दबाव है आप पर अमेरिका का?
राहुल गांधी, पहली तस्वीर देखिए, इलान ओमर, ये तस्वीर देखिए। जिसको जिसको भारत से नफरत है, राहुल गांधी को उससे बहुत मोहब्बत है। मतलब मैं अगर कहूं गांधी और सोरस, गांडोज, ये तस्वीर है, ये पूरे भारत में हर कोई कह रहा है, और ये इसलिए उठा रहा हूं कि शर्म नहीं आती इन लोगों को। जॉर्ज सोरस को भारत का ठेका देना चाहते हो।
It's a very poignant statement, very serious comment, and I think every nationalist Indian is concerned, particularly at those elements who have used foreign forces, who have used foreign funding, and who have friends in foreign countries like Mr. George Soros, who are intent on destabilizing the Indian economy, concerned that India is emerging as an economic powerhouse, who are not happy that a nationalist leader like Prime Minister Narendra Modi is bringing the country together to achieve greater heights. And I think it's very appropriate that all such people get a warning and get exposed before the people of India.
How is this Congress party, or how are these NGOs associated with the Congress party, and how are people like George Soros associated with the Congress party? How is the Chinese government associated with the Congress party, all funneling money into India? Why is it that during the UPA there was a large amount of money given by the same USAID organization to the Indian government, and that money to the Indian government came down after 2014, and instead monies to unnamed NGOs went up in India? Why is the Congress Party's Rajiv Gandhi Foundation receiving money from the Chinese embassy? During 2022, the money, this so-called money, peaked in 2022. At the same time, Rahul Gandhi launched his Bharat Jodo Yatra Notanki.
The Bharatiya Janata Party was crying loudly about the USAID. But BJP, you said, and you put your foot in your mouth. The Bharatiya Janata Party was going so gaga over Trump saying that missed you, but they did not realize that they got trumped by the faux pas made by Trump himself between Delhi and Dhaka. Now waiting for the Bharatiya Janata Party to make a dramatic cover-up and say that they meant something else.
Now, even Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar voiced concern over the alleged USAID funding for raising voter turnout in India, saying that people who allowed such an attack on the country's democratic values should be exposed. He also said that it was the national duty of people to strike at such forces. Addressing an event in Miami on Thursday, US President Donald Trump once again questioned the USAID funding of $21 million for voter turnout in India and said, and I quote, "I guess they were trying to get somebody else elected." Listen in.
What has been revealed by President of the United States with full sense of responsibility. The democratic process of this country was sought to be moderated, manipulated, to taint प्यूरिटी ऑफ आवर इलेक्ट्रल सिस्टम। चाणक्य नीति को अपनाना चाहिए, इसकी जड़ में जाना चाहिए, पता लगाना चाहिए वो कौन लोग हैं जिन्होंने इस प्रकार के आक्रमण को स्वीकार किया, हमारे प्रजातांत्रिक मूल्यों के ऊपर इतना बड़ा कुठाराघात किया। उन ताकतों पर प्रतिघात करना हमारा राष्ट्र धर्म है। उनको बेनकाब करना होगा।
We have Mohit Bhatt joining us on the broadcast. War of words intensifying between the BJP and the Congress. The Congress is now demanding that the government should release a white paper and also alleging that the news reports, and they're citing a news report stating that money was sent to Bangladesh, not India. The government is deliberately jumping the gun and blaming the opposition.
Well, yes, in fact, a full-blown political fight has erupted over these particular revelations that has come from the Department of Government Efficiency of US. And after that, we saw the statement coming in from Donald Trump. Twice he has said that $21 million were given to India now for voter turnout. Why exactly this money was being given, whether this money was being given for the regime change or it was kind of a kickback. So we see that after that, we have seen that how the BJP has lashed onto it, saying that this has been the tendency and the ecosystem. This is how the ecosystem works, and the BJP says it's the working style of Rahul Gandhi and the Congress Party that the deep state in US, the China, and the Soros army, they want to destabilize India. They want to remove Prime Minister Narendra Modi from his post, and perhaps that is why the foreign funding is being used in that. Now, the BJP has also made serious allegations, saying that in 2022, when Bharat Jodo Yatra of Rahul Gandhi was starting, there was a whole lot of money that came from US, and this money, BJP says, was used in Bharat Jodo Yatra. In fact, BJP says that it was Bharat Todo Yatra, and it was being undertaken to undermine our constitution and our democracy. Now, to which the Congress Party has cited a news report, as you rightly pointed out, saying that the government has made a faux pas. The government has also, while the money was being given to Bangladesh, the government thought that it has been given to India, and they also stated that Donald Trump has also made a faux pas. So clearly, the Congress Party says that the government should come out with a white paper on this. A proper investigation should take place, and the government should also apologize, given the fact that how they have attacked the Congress Party over these revelations, according to the Congress, which are not right. So clearly, we see a massive fight over this, while the BJP has also stated that since 2014, when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi came to power, the government funding of USAID has come down, but the NGOs that were but the funding to the NGOs has gone up, and these NGOs are funding Rahul Gandhi and Congress Party.
So allegations, yes, allegations and counters coming to fore, and the war of words intensifying. Mohit, stay on with us. Now, for Jammu Kashmir Chief Minister Umar Abdullah, it's on US, what they want to do and who they want to give aid to. Listen in.
वो अमेरिका तक है, एड उनका है, वो किसको देना चाहते हैं, किसको नहीं देना चाहते हैं, वो फैसला हमारा कहाँ पर है।
सर, फॉरेन इंटरफेरेंस इंडियन इलेक्शंस पे, फॉरेन इंटरफेरेंस इन द
नहीं होना चाहिए, और वैसे भी ना फॉरेन इंटरफेरेंस की फिलहाल कोई सबूत तो नजर नहीं आ रही है। हमें तो ना बताएं, इलेक्शन कमीशन को फिर इस चीज का जवाब देना होगा, क्या हमारे इलेक्शंस में कहीं पे फॉरेन इंटरफेरेंस हुआ है, क्योंकि अभी तक तो हम मान के चल रहे हैं कि हमारे इलेक्शन जो है फ्री और फेयर रहे हैं। अब अगर इस तरह की कोई बात आई है तो इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया इसमें सफाई दे।
Now, it's yet another bombshell by Trump over USAID controversy, as he calls it a mere kickback scheme. US President has said that many of these cases, anytime they have no idea what they're talking about, that means there's a kickback because nobody has any idea what's going on. The USAID Inspector General's office regularly investigates allegations of corruption, and people have been fined or jailed for participation in kickback schemes.
$21 million for voter turnout in India. Why are we caring about India turnout? We got enough problems. We want our own turnout, don't we? Can you imagine all that money going to India? I wonder what they think when they get it. Now, it's a kickback scheme. You know, it's not like they get it and they spend. They kick it back to the people that send it, I would say, in many cases. Many of these cases, anytime you have no idea what we're talking about, that means there's a kickback, because nobody has any idea what's going on there. $29 million to strengthen.
In fact, Ministry of External Affairs has responded to the ongoing row, saying authorities are looking into the matter and it is premature to comment in this case.
अमेरिकी सरकार की तरफ से, उनके एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की तरफ से ये खुलासा किया गया है कि कुछ यूएसएड की एक्टिविटीज़ और फंडिंग के बारे में ये जो खुलासा किया गया है ये कंसर्निंग है, ट्रबलिंग है और इसको लेके काफ़ी सारी चिंताएं हैं फॉरेन इंटरफेरेंस को लेके भारत के अपने अंदरूनी मामले में। हमारे यहाँ जो एजेंसीज़ हैं, डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं जो इस मामले में काम करते हैं, कार्यरत हैं, वो इस मुद्दे पर और छानबीन कर रहे हैं और